Morning students, the last practical. This is a V-journey cipher. It's like a Caesar cipher, the first practical, but use a phrase. Example, the boy has the ball, key is VIG, then cipher using Caesar cipher, watch it later. Key is VIG, and plan the boy, you are seeing here the text, and cipher is OPK WWECIYO This is a V-journey cipher. This is nothing but a simple conversion of plain text to ciphertext. This is a simple understanding. Now this is the example of V-journey cipher. You are seeing here plain text is attacked down, key lemon, key stream is a lemon. You need to repeat the key streams, then you get a ciphertext. Here you need to identify the V-journey cipher is a method of encryption alphabetic text. It uses a simple form of polyalphabetic substitution. Is any cipher based on substitution using a multiple substitution alphabet. The encryption of original text is doing using V-journey square of V-journey table. This is a table consists of alphabet written out of 26 times in different row. Each alphabet shifted cyclically to left compared to previous alphabet corresponding to 26 possible Caesar cipher. Here let us see how we can encrypt a message. She is listening using the 6-character keyword Pascal. The initial key stream is 50, 0, 80, 20 and 11. The key stream is the repetition of this initial key stream as many times as needed. See here you can see the plain text. C is listening. Now the value of P, it is almost identify the numerical value, key stream, value of C's, and then you can get a cipher text. In encryption, the first letter of plain text is paired with another and first letter of the key. So use accordingly row and a column of the V-journey square. Now we need to implement in C programming language. Here you need to remember the rest of the plain text is enciphered in a similar fashion. Same for decryption, the main function is integer. You can see the data type character, the print the value of string, and get string, get s. Get string under bracket str. Str is used for string. You can get a string value when we fetch by using a scanf function, and you need to print the message under double quote, enter a string /n for a new line. Now we need to start the converting entered string to capital letters. In encryption, you are similar for the second letter of plain text and second letter of key is used, the letter at row E and Y and C. Then here we use the loop. In loop we are use the conditions. Which condition? The string I not is equal to blank, यानी वैल्यू ऑफ स्ट्रिंग वो ब्लैंक नहीं होनी चाहिए. ठीक है. देन इन कंडीशंस वी आर यूज अ पोस्ट डिक्रिप्शन ऑपरेटर. सेम मैसेज here we are used for encryption, and decryption mostly is performed by going to row in a table corresponding to the key, finding the position of ciphertext later in this row. Now we are start storing a string in term of ASCII. For that we are use this loop. Here we calculate the value and the size of string by using the increment operator. This is a post increment operator, I plus plus. Then print the value. How according to your requirement you need to identify a key, then get s, get string value for key, then converting enter key to capital letters. Once again loop. Here you see I is equal to 0, j is equal to 0, then I less than string length under bracket key is equal to I plus plus. Then here we need to enter a key to capital letters. Now we are completing the process of converting a key value. Here we denote the offset of ith character of the plain text, like offset of A is 0 and B is 1 and so on. Here we see the key J is equal to single quoted /0. Now we need to assigning key to string. Here we denote the offset of the ith character of the plain text. Then we are start with assigning the key. The bracket j is equal to 0. Then we use a loop. For loop we are used for 2 times. This is a example. You are see the value of I and j, then num key I is equal to k j minus a. Here a more easy implementation could be visualized vGenere algebraically by converting a to z into number 0 to 25. For encryption, the plain text and key are added modulo 26. Then same for decryption. Now we are concluding the session. Now we are use a for loop. Then print the message for vGenere ciphertext. It is clear the length of our string and print. You are aware with all the functions. Now this is output. It is make it happen, enter the string. Now you need to enter a key. It is MATH. Now run once again, enter a string. You need to enter a string value. Thank you.